John 17, verse 9. I am praying for them. I am not praying for the world, but for those whom you have given me, for they are yours. I am praying for them. Hebrews 4, verse 14. Having therefore a great high priest who has passed into the heavens, Jesus the Son of God, we should hold fast the confession of our faith. Romans 8, verse 26. Now in the same way also, the Spirit is conjointly helping our weaknesses because we do not fully understand what we should pray for, according as it is necessary. But the Spirit itself makes intercession for us with groanings that cannot be expressed by us. Galatians 4, verse 6. And because you are sons, God has sent forth the Spirit of His Son into your hearts, crying, Abba, Father. Father, thank you that together with Jesus, the Spirit of the Son cry in us unto you, Abba, Father.